So it's going to be a reading for the sign of Cancer. So all that you need to know about your person, your situation, and what's coming up for you. So what's really coming up for the sign of Cancer for the next couple of weeks? So what's really coming up for Cancer next couple of weeks? One card for what's coming up for Cancer, please. I'm really sorry. I've changed my shuffling side, so you'll get that irritating noise a bit. But please deal with me. Yeah, with the Sun card, everything seems blocked right now. In the past as well, there was no serious clarity based on the situation that you were dealing with. You feel a bit blocked. You feel like happiness is not really coming to you. There is also a lack of your person putting in effort into your situation or wanting to compromise in any which way. I still feel that unnecessary arguments are still affecting your connection if it's a romantic connection. At your work environment, I do not see you feeling very happy or very content with your whole like scenario when it comes to your career. Okay, in the past as well, I see you being a bit indecisive as well. Okay, so what else do we see coming up for sign of Cancer? What else do we see coming up for sign of Cancer, please? Some of you could be dealing with the sign of Leo. Okay, with the Magician card, many of you guys are trying your level best to possibly focus on the positive, only go after the right things, and possibly attract a lot of like happiness and prosperity in your life. But I believe still everything seems a bit blocked right now. But overall, you're trying to possibly manifest new things in your life. Okay, so in terms of your soulmate connection, what do we see coming up for you? In terms, okay, we have a card. In terms of soulmate connection, I do not feel like you are able to walk away from your person, no matter how unhappy or unfulfilling the connection seems. You cannot find yourself walking away from this person. With Ten of Swords, things could have ended with this person in the past. Okay, so how are they coming towards you? How are they coming towards you? With Five of Wands, some of them, if they were trying their level best to sabotage the connection, I believe for some of them, they are trying to possibly stay open to this connection now. Okay, I believe in the past they let you down or they let their ego possibly take over this connection, and that messed it up. Okay, I believe they are wanting to let go of their ego, their pride, their unnecessary arguments to possibly try to stay open to this connection now. So, how do we see them coming forward towards the sign of Cancer? So, how do we see them coming forward towards the sign of Cancer, please? Okay, with Page of Wands, for many of you, I see communication coming in very soon. Okay, they are wanting to communicate, they wanting to start communication with you. In the past, this person very much walked away from you. Even right now, I do not feel many of you guys are in communication. This person is wanting to communicate. Yes, some of you might get communication, but the next coming week, I very much see communication coming in. So what can you expect from them now? What can you possibly expect from them? What can Cancers possibly expect from their soulmate now? Your person on some which level, I believe, has feelings for you, but they do not know as to what they want with you for a long term. Okay, they are still very undecided. Why is that so, Spirit? Like, what's making them not want to take action towards you? What's really blocking this connection? What's really blocking this connection? I feel even if they come forward towards you, they are coming off very confused. Okay, for selected few of you, there was a interference of a third party. Okay, I believe this person kind of left you to move towards someone else in their life. Okay, and I believe they took a leap of faith towards something new. If they were not even in love with that person, they chose a easier connection. The reason why they left you or possibly sabotaged this was because it seemed difficult. They were not exactly open to wanting to fix it with you because they were not really ready for doing it all over again. It really felt like it was a bad idea for them. Okay, but right now I believe even if they are not communicating, they are wanting to communicate. However, they are still very much confused. They are not very clear on the whole idea. This person is not giving you a clear idea as to what they want because they do not know themselves what they want. Okay, I see them a bit stressed as well. Okay, so how do they currently feel about you? How do they currently feel about you? One card for how do they currently feel about you? With Ten of Wands, they are very much burdened by this whole equation, this whole connection, the whole scenario. But with Six of Wands, this person still very much wants your attention. No matter what you guys have been through, I do not feel this is a new connection. I believe for many of you, this is an old connection. No matter how much you guys have been through, this person just doesn't seem to want to quit on you. Okay, even if they are closed off to the idea of wanting to express their feelings with you, they just cannot seem to find a way to move on from you. Okay, they tried, they really tried hard, but they could not. Such is your power over them. Okay, give me one more card. Yeah, with Moon card, I still feel this person is still hiding a lot of things from you. Okay, maybe the third party equation that happened. Okay, so what's the current situation with the third party? If at all your partner went towards someone, what's the current equation with the third party? Okay, I believe that wasn't a success. If they went towards someone else in their life, that did not work for them. Okay, possibly it seemed one-sided, and that kind of really did not work. Maybe because your partner wasn't really invested emotionally, they were wanting to escape from you or wanting to walk away from this connection, but they were not fully emotionally invested into the new connection. And when you're not fully emotionally invested and you're just doing it for the sake of it, it's not meant to work like that. Okay, so yes, with Six of Pentacles, I believe it was very much a give and take connection, maybe a very sexual connection as well, and it possibly did not last a long term. Okay, for some of you, your person was in connection with someone long distance. Okay, so yes, give me one more card. What's current scenario with you and your person's third party? We have Page of Swords in the reverse. So this person sometimes also stalks the third party. The past thing isn't over. When they met the third party, or when the third party met your person, it seemed like it was a great connection. Like two equals meeting each other, emotionally connecting. But right now, I do not feel like they are on the same page. Okay, I still feel on some which level that your person might not communicate with them, but they still stalk them. So they haven't completely given up on the third party. But yes, it did not work for them. But they haven't completely walked away. The reason why they're still confused is because a part of them still is there with them. Okay, so yeah, give me one more card as to what are their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you now? One card for what are their intentions towards you. If you're sure your person did not have anyone else, they were trying to find someone else. Okay, so take what resonates in your case. Their intentions towards you is to stay open to you. Okay, they are still at crossroads. They haven't completely moved in your direction, neither are they planning to completely move in a direction. They are still very much indecisive. Okay, and they are still very much planning to come forward. Okay, still planning to stay open, still planning to come forward, and still planning as to what to do towards you. Okay, with Nine of Swords, they are very much restless and have a lot of anxiety while sleeping. Okay, so one card for what action I want to take towards you. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, very slow action. Okay, they are very much wanting to come forward, but at their own pace. That is Knight of Pentacles pace, which is extremely slow, hardly recognizable. Okay, so you might not even feel this person's presence around you. You may feel like this person is not around you while they are just trying to possibly crawl their way back to you. Okay, like a fucking snail. Okay, so whatever. But one card for what can you expect from them now? What can you expect? Okay, with Star card here, I do feel like they are wanting to stay open, hopeful to this connection that this might work somehow. With Hanged Man, I still do not see them putting in a lot of effort. But yes, overall, I see them wanting to stay open to the idea that yes, this can work in some which way. The things just cannot work when you do not put in effort. Your person is wanting to come forward, but I still do not see them putting in a lot of effort. Okay, I rather see them wanting to possibly come forward and see what are you going to do about it. So one card for how do they view you now. So one card for how do they view you now. How do they currently view you now? So With Ace of Swords, this person might feel like you are not ready for them because they cut you out from their life. Okay, but part of them still tells them that you may stay open to communication, but you are not exactly open to taking them back. But they may feel like you are open to communication, howsoever. Okay. Uh, one card for how do they view themselves? How do they view themselves? How do they view themselves? One card for that, please. King of Pentacles. For some of you, you are dealing with a person who's financially very well off. Okay, so the reason why they do not choose you is because you may have some financial differences, like you are not at the same level, and this person is very much money minded or very much business focused or pentacle lover kind of a situation. Okay, I feel that this person on some which level does not see you for who you are. Okay, they always look at you as someone they connect with, someone they cannot stay away from, but they feel on some level that they are better off than you. Okay, I know this sounds very bad, but I chose to do honest readings. Okay, and sometimes it's really messed up, but whatever it is, I believe that your person is sexually into you, your person cannot find themselves moving on from you, but they do not see you like at their level. Okay, could be for some of you that you have financial differences, could be that there could be a significant amount of age gap as well. If it's not finances, then it could be age gap. For selected few of you, your person is already married with King of Pentacles here. Okay, so yes, but they do not exactly feel like you may stay open to communication, or not communication, the connection. They feel you're going to stay open to communication, but not the connection, that you are not exactly open to the you guys coming together. Okay, so how do they view the connection they share with you? How they view the connection they share with you? Some of you are possibly dealing with the air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Some of you with a possible Capricorn or a possible Taurus, possible Leo as well. Okay, sorry. They find this connection in the past, this connection made them a lot happy. Right now it's only draining them. It feels very much something that they were looking forward to, but hasn't very much worked their way or is working their way. Okay, with Three of Pentacles, they feel like there is lack of partnership going on or lack of willingness of you both wanting to work together. So they know that once upon a time this was something you guys very much wanted, to stay together, to work together, to possibly grow old together, but it did not work. Right now it's only draining you and making things more worse, but you both cannot find your way out of it. So what are you wanting from it? What is Cancer possibly wanting from it? One card for what is Cancer possibly wanting from it? With Hierophant card and the Devil card, part of you is still wanting to stay stuck to this connection. A part of you is wanting to stay closed off to the connection. So I feel that you both cannot give up on each other. A part of you feels like, it is better for you to possibly be with someone who's going to move towards a solid commitment like a marriage, but you still cannot see yourself letting go of this connection. Okay, so part of you isn't giving up on this connection even when you know that commitment might never be possible. Okay, so where is this moving forward? So where is this moving forward for sign of Cancer? Where is this moving forward for sign of Cancer? Okay, Five of Pentacles. Still not something that you feel is going to work long term. I still feel like it is going to be like it is right now, only bits of more communication, but I still do not see it getting somewhere. That's the problem. Okay, I feel many of you are better off if you move in a new direction. This thing, whatever you are part of, doesn't look like something that is going to grow into something big or something that you could look up to. Okay, so what is the main blockage? What is the main blockage, if you may know, Spirit? What's really blocking the connection? What's really blocking the connection? Some of you could be married. Okay, I believe for many of you that marriage could be a blockage. Okay, you guys already have a partner. If not married, there is a third party involvement in some which way. And third, I see is there is distance in communication. Someone is not wanting to communicate, and someone is wanting to be too fucking practical about it that this might never work. If you feel this might never work, subconsciously you believe that. So that would never possibly make you work on it. Okay, so yes, with King of Swords also someone has been a very much a narcissist in the past, and you cannot trust them wholeheartedly. Okay, so yes, with Chariot card and with Eight of Swords, many of you guys are feeling stuck, many of you guys are unhappy, many of you guys are unfulfilled, but you cannot move on. Okay, but I do not see good things coming out of this relationship, darling, to be honest. Okay, commitment is in the future is one card I see here. Okay, I'm not what I show. I got loads of imperfections, so they do fear about this connection in some which way. Like versus love. Okay, sometimes this person doesn't understand whether they like you or whether they love you. Okay, I never thought you would turn out to be so special is one card of message we have from your person. Love messages. I'm not happy, that's a mask. So if this person is pretending to be happy on social media, that's not reality, that's fake. They are just putting on a fake mask in order to pretend to be happy in the society. Okay, when they are not. So yes, this was a reading for the sign of Cancer that has been requested. So I hope if it resonated, please do hit the like button, please do subscribe. My readings are always going to be honest. Okay, I'm going to read the cards I get. I'm not going to sugarcoat ever in my life. The day I feel like sugarcoating is the day I'm going to stop doing readings. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you. All those who are wanting to book a personal reading with me, go to my shop or go to my website and book one for you. There are 2 to 3 possible things you could choose from. So yeah, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Happy December. Cheers.